Howdy, and welcome to my name mnemonic assignment. Okay, so let's jump into my presentation. As you can see, my name is Annette Haynes. So this is what I look like, and as you can see, I place a crown on my head. But we will jump into why I did that in the next slide. So the reason that I put the crown was because I was born in Queens, New York, and literally, not to mention that I am a queen. I was literally named after Queen Marie Antoinette. And so, I'm basically royalty. But let's get back on track. I moved to Houston, Texas when I was 7, and I've been there ever since. Then I found myself in College Station at A&M studying biomedical sciences. So, let's get to the point of this assignment. How are you going to remember me besides my amazing humor? Well, I will tell you how with my name mnemonic. So my name starts with an A and ends with net. LOL. Did you see what I did there? Like a tennis net? At first, I had wanted to plaster my face on Serena Williams, but I didn't know how to Photoshop. So I didn't. Anyways, back to the point. After you play tennis or, finish working out, you tend to get really hot and sweaty and you just want to change your clothes, especially your underwear. Boom. I don't know if you see what I did there, but like my last name is Haynes without the Y, but it's like Haynes the underwear. Anyways. So, Net Haynes. But, most people refer to me as the second nicest person to have ever lived. So, feel free to call me that if you ever see me. Yeah, that's the end of my presentation.